Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Justin Lin here at Rehab and Revive Physical Therapy, where we rehab your mind to revive your body. Do you find yourself hunched over or hyperextended when standing up? You may have lordosis or kyphosis. Stick around to see our foam rolling progressions to help fix that. But first, please spend a few seconds to like our video, subscribe to our channel. If you found this video helpful in any way, please consider hitting the thanks button and donating. We appreciate your support. So what is kyphosis? It is usually related to the position of your upper trunk being folded forward. Think Quasimodo. Lordosis is a lumbopelvic position where the lower back is more extended or arched relative to the pelvis. So how does functional foam rolling help this? Oftentimes, it is due to overshort or tight muscles. And no matter if it is lordosis or kyphosis, the thoracic and rib cage area seems to be the true cause from my experience. Traditionally, you can foam roll the same muscle for hours. It just never feels quite loose enough. Here at Rehab and Revive, we like to use a method I created called functional foam rolling that provides a better, faster way with changes that last longer. So we're going to move to foam roll progressions. The progressions begin with breathing, then elongation, then shearing, followed up with rotations, and we finish with active stretching. Let's get into rolling that upper thoracic area. Position yourself on your back with the roll starting below the shoulder blades. If needed, round your shoulder blades a little to expose those ribs and then relax. Adjust your body to find that hot spot, then breathe. Do this for about 4 to 5 times. Then let's move to the classic elongation way, where you move forward and back, and do this about 5 times. Shearing is my all-time favorite progression. It's just rubbing the muscle side to side on your hot spot. Then rotations is always a rough one, where you have to move your body in a rotational way. And we finish with an active stretch. So all you have to do is just raise your arms to the side or the front. Let's move to the lat muscles, around where your armpit is, and start the process all over again. You'll definitely have to find it. This part is often fantastically painful.
So much pain!
Start with breathing 4 to 5 times on that spot. Then let's move to the elongation way, where you move forward and back in a slight diagonal way, and you do this for another 5 times. Shearing is the next progression. It's just rubbing that muscle side to side on your hot spot. Rotations is moving and rotating your body over that roll. Active stretching is with internal-external rotation of your outstretched arm. And finally, we move to the pectoral region. Position yourself on your stomach or standing and have the roll pressed against your pec muscle. Adjust your body to find that hot spot, then breathe 4 to 5 times. Then let's move to the elongation way, where you move forward and back, and you do this for another 5 times. Shearing is the next progression. It's just rubbing that muscle side to side. Then rotations is moving your whole body over that roll in that rotational way. We finish up with active stretch. It's just straightening your arm forward and back. Please give these progressions to help your kyphosis or lordosis a try. We're adding to our functional foam rolling series. Let us know what you think and leave us some feedback in the comments box below. Once again, please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.